Today is the Brokers Open House for the Willards Homes team with EXP Realty. I'm Elizabeth Willers, and let me show you what we have set up for all our realtors and brokers around the town. So first we have balloons and open house signs. They don't say Brokers Open House, so we may get some buyers to come as well. But this is basically for realtors who would like to see this property who hasn't had a chance yet, and hopefully they have a buyer. So let's go inside. Look at this beautiful home. All the original hardwood floors have been restored. This is Carly. This is the dining room. This is Jonathan.
Welcome. Check this out.
And we have a huge setup here. We have broker feedback. We have a sign-in sheet. We have the MLS sheet that tells all about the property, how many square feet, how many bedrooms. We also have improvement lists and upgrade lists, so everybody knows what the seller has done over the years. We also have fresh baked cookies from Honeycomb Bakery. These are my favorite oatmeal cookies. We also have lunch by Born and Bred. So we have turkey chipotle, Gouda croissants. We have spinach white cheddar croissants. We have chicken salad croissants. We have sausage asiago and red onion jam croissants. We have fresh coffee, water, and we have Arnold Palmer. Carly, what is the Arnold Palmer?
It's a mixture between sweet tea and lemonade, half and half equal.
Wow, okay. Oh, we have fresh flowers too. So if you're a realtor and you have a buyer that may be interested in this beautiful home near Lake Hollingsworth, we are here from noon to 2 at 617 Kearneywood Street, Lakeland, Florida, 33803. Love to see you here. We also have Jonathan Roby here, and he's going to be talking about the ribbon program from NRL Mortgage. And so that is where the buyer can buy the property for cash and then worry about the financing later.